Really good your comeback from NBA basketball to European. Your first comment about
Very happy. I'm very comfortable in the situation that I'm right now. We know it's a long way, but here in Česká it's all about winning. So we are working really hard every day to be in the best position to be at the end well.
you have been so many years in Spain. In CSKA they have really big ambitions every year. What we can expect from this year?
Always. We are, a few newcomers on the team, and we are working really hard, trying to get ourselves in the rhythm of the tempo of the season. Like I said, we know it's a long way. We're still in November, and it's gonna be a lot of time to work and to win games and be prepared to play at the end for the things that we want to play. No, he's a great player, and he shows so many years playing in Europe and playing international. I wish all the best to be in the NBA. But Česká is all about winning. Every year, every season, there are great players, and the year after, some players are gone, and the other players have to be in their position and try to keep winning. So that's all about.
Could we expect you again maybe in NBA?
I don't know. I'm very happy in the situation that I'm right now. For me, it's all about the present, and really looking forward to have a great season and try to get the trophies that we are fighting for.
Thank you. Wish you best luck.
Okay, thank you.